What is up guys, Alec here, and today we're going to be talking about hashtag research. So before we jump in, I just want to say why hashtag research is important, because hashtag research is what helps your post rank within hashtags, helps your post get more engagement and more reach in the long run. This helps you grow your account a lot faster on Instagram. So the first rule about hashtags is you want to make sure they are related to your post. You also want to make sure that you're not using the same set of hashtags every single time, and you want to make sure you don't use exactly 30 hashtags and copy and paste the same ones every single time. Now, when people use hashtags on Instagram, they tend to use really obvious hashtags. For an example, trees, sky, blue sky, plane. These are really simple ones that have loads of posts and they don't help you get anywhere on Instagram. So when doing hashtag research, there are two main factors you need to look at. Now, the main one that most people know about is the amount of posts a hashtag has. And the second one, which not many people know about, is the average amount of likes the top posts are getting on a specific hashtag. So here's how you do the hashtag research. So the method we're going to be using is called the staircase method, and here's how you do it. So when uploading a post, you're going to want to have 5 different types of hashtags. So you're going to want to have a set of 5 hashtags which have between 10,000 and 50,000 posts. The next set of 5 hashtags is going to have between 50,000 and 200,000 posts. The third set of 5 hashtags are going to be hashtags that have 200,000 to 500,000 posts. And finally, the fourth set of 5 hashtags is going to have posts with 500,000 posts and over. Now, I try to stay under 1 million unless you have a large account which already ranks really well for certain hashtags. Now, once you have these 4 sets of 5 hashtags, you're going to have 20 hashtags of all different sizes. Now, you're going to want to add another set of 5 hashtags which are overall related to your niche and really specific to that post. This leaves you with 25 hashtags, and it gives you a little bit of leeway to add a few more and to take a few away every single time you post. And the thing is, when it comes to posting on Instagram, you don't want to use the same set of hashtags on every single post. I have between 3 and 5 different sets of roughly 27 to 28 hashtags that I mix and match on every single post. I never use the same set of hashtags within the same 24 hours. When doing a hashtag research, another important thing to look out for is the amount of likes these posts are getting. So for an example, you could be using a hashtag which has around 200,000 posts, which you think could be a good hashtag you could rank for, but the average of top likes these posts are getting is way out of your league. So for an example, if you're a page that gets around 500 likes per post and you're using a hashtag that gets around a top likes average of 2,000 likes per post, you're not going to do very well in this hashtag. So this is something you need to look out for when doing your hashtag research. Just because a hashtag has a decent number of posts, it doesn't mean you're going to rank for it. So what I'm going to do now is show you some hashtag research that I do for one of my accounts. Okay, so most of you probably know that I have an account called My Bedroom Goals, and now I'm going to show you how I would do the hashtag research for this account. Okay, so being an account called My Bedroom Goals, I'm trying to rank for accounts which are about bedroom decor. So the first hashtag I'm going to go and have a look at is bedroom decor. Okay, so the first thing you notice is that this hashtag has 1.2 million posts. Now this is a lot, but thankfully my account is a big page, so I managed to rank for these kind of hashtags. Okay, the next thing I would do is look at the top likes for these top posts. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I can see that this one has 1,000 likes. I go through this one, you can see this one has 3,200. If I then click on this one, you can see that this one has 3,700. So what I would do is add together the amount of likes that the top 9 posts have. Once I've added all these likes together for the top 9 posts, I would then divide it by 9. This will give me the average amount of likes that these top posts are getting. Okay, so I added them up all together earlier and I found out that the average top likes for these 9 top posts is 2,118. So if I go back to my page, as you can see here, I'm looking at the amount of likes I'm getting. Here I got 2,000, here I got 2,400, here I got 2,036. So this is a good hashtag for me because I could rank for it because I'm getting the same number of likes. Okay, so now I'm going to go to another hashtag. So I'm going to click on bedroom design at the top here. And the first thing we notice is this one has a lot fewer posts. It has 354,000 posts. So again, what I'm going to do is look at some of the top posts. As we can see, this one straight off the bat, it has 6,700 posts. Again, you can see that this one here has 8,399. So what I did again for this hashtag is added the amount of likes that the top 9 posts were getting. So again, I did this earlier and I found out that the average likes for this hashtag was 7,142. So again, if we go back to my page, we can see that I'm only getting around 2,000 likes. So this hashtag would be a lot harder for me to rank in, so I wouldn't use it all the time. So as you can see, this is a long process because you have to do this for hundreds of different hashtags, but trust me, hashtag research helps you rank really well and helps the growth of your page loads. If you wanted to be even more specific, you could also do this for the amount of comments, but that would take even longer. But again, it's entirely up to you. The more hashtag research you do, the better your page is going to do. So yeah, that was called the staircase method on how to do hashtag research. If you're going to try this out for yourself, or if you've done it before, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Again, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.